Ethiopia, a land of ancient history and vibrant culture, is also a land deeply rooted in agriculture. Farming is the heartbeat of Ethiopia, providing sustenance and livelihood for a vast majority of its people. Among the many crops that grace its fertile lands, oil crops hold a place of particular significance. These crops, rich in valuable oils, are not just a source of nutrition, but also a vital part of Ethiopia's economy. Oil crops, with their versatility and economic potential, play a crucial role in Ethiopia's journey towards sustainable agricultural development. They offer a path to enhance food security, boost farmer incomes, and contribute to the overall well-being of the nation. This essay delves into the world of sustainable oil crop production in Ethiopia, exploring the key practices and innovations shaping this vital sector. From the careful selection of seeds to the adoption of climate-smart techniques, every step in the cultivation of oil crops is crucial. By understanding and implementing sustainable practices, farmers can ensure the health of their crops, protect the environment, and secure a brighter future for themselves and generations to come. Join us as we journey through the fields of Ethiopia, discovering the secrets of sustainable oil crop production and its profound impact on the nation's prosperity. Among the diverse array of oil crops cultivated in Ethiopia, 3 stand out as shining stars: sesame, sunflower, and Niger seed. These golden trio crops, each with its unique characteristics and benefits, form the backbone of Ethiopia's oilseed production. Sesame, known for its delicate nutty flavor and high oil content, is a prized ingredient in both culinary traditions and industrial applications. Its seeds, rich in essential fatty acids and antioxidants, are used to produce high-quality cooking oil, tahini, and various confectionaries. Sunflower, with its majestic golden blooms, is a sight to behold in Ethiopian fields. Its seeds, a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, are pressed to extract sunflower oil, a healthy and versatile cooking oil. Sunflower oil is also used in the production of margarine, cosmetics, and biodiesel. Niger seed, often referred to as black cumin, is a small but mighty crop. Its seeds, with their distinct peppery flavor, are used as a spice, a birdseed ingredient, and a source of oil. Niger seed oil, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, is gaining popularity as a healthy edible oil and is also used in paints and varnishes. These 3 oil crops, each contributing its unique qualities, play a vital role in Ethiopia's economy and food security. They provide valuable income for farmers, contribute to export earnings, and ensure a steady supply of essential oils for domestic consumption. Cultivating healthy and productive oil crops requires a deep understanding of the plant's needs and the adoption of best practices that promote their growth and maximize yields. From preparing the soil to managing weeds, each step in the farming process plays a crucial role in ensuring a successful harvest. The journey begins with the soil. Selecting well-drained soil with good fertility is essential for oil crops to thrive. Adding compost or manure before planting enriches the soil with nutrients, providing the plants with a strong foundation for growth. Choosing the right seeds is equally important. High-quality seeds, selected for their germination rate and disease resistance, ensure a healthy start for the crops. Planting the seeds at the right depth and spacing allows for optimal root development and maximizes the use of resources. Water is lifeblood for any crop, and oil crops are no exception. Providing adequate water, especially during critical growth stages, is crucial for their development. Drip irrigation, a water-saving technique, delivers water directly to the roots, minimizing wastage and ensuring efficient water use. Weeds compete with crops for resources, hindering their growth and reducing yields. Implementing effective weed control measures such as mulching, hand weeding, or using appropriate herbicides helps maintain a weed-free environment where oil crops can flourish. Pests and diseases pose a constant threat to oil crops, potentially devastating yields and jeopardizing the livelihoods of farmers. Integrated pest management, a holistic and eco-friendly approach, offers a sustainable solution to protect crops and ensure healthy harvests. IPM emphasizes the use of natural pest control methods, minimizing reliance on synthetic pesticides. This approach starts with regular monitoring of crops to detect pest infestations early on, allowing for timely intervention. One of the key principles of IPM is encouraging the presence of beneficial insects, nature's own pest control agents. Ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps are natural predators of many crop pests, keeping their populations in check. Creating habitats for these beneficial insects, such as planting flowering plants around the fields, attracts them to the area, providing natural pest control. Crop rotation, another important IPM practice, disrupts the life cycles of pests by alternating the types of crops grown in a field. This prevents pest populations from building up and reduces the risk of widespread infestations. In cases where pesticide application becomes necessary, IPM promotes the use of biopesticides, derived from natural sources like bacteria or fungi. Biopesticides are less toxic to the environment and beneficial insects compared to synthetic pesticides, making them a safer alternative. Section 5, From Field to Table, Harvesting and Preserving Oil, Crop Treasures, Harvesting Marks. The culmination of months of hard work and dedication for oil crop farmers. Proper harvesting techniques and careful post-harvest handling are crucial to preserve the quality of the yield and maximize its value. The timing of harvest is critical. Oil crops should be harvested at their peak maturity to ensure the highest oil content and quality. Sesame, for example, is ready for harvest when the leaves turn yellow and the lower capsules start to split open. After harvesting, the crops need to be properly dried to reduce moisture content and prevent spoilage during storage. Traditional sun-drying methods, where crops are spread out on mats under the open sky, are still widely practiced. However, modern drying techniques using mechanical dryers are gaining popularity, especially for larger-scale operations. Once dried, oil crops need to be carefully threshed to separate the seeds from the pods or heads. Traditional threshing methods, such as beating the crops with sticks or using animals to trample them, are still common in some areas. However, mechanical threshers are becoming increasingly popular, offering faster and more efficient processing. Proper storage is essential to protect the harvested oil crops from pests, diseases, and moisture. Clean, dry, and well-ventilated storage facilities are crucial to maintain the quality of the seeds until they are ready for processing or sale. Section 6, A Vision for Tomorrow. Innovations for Sustainable Oil Crop Production. As Ethiopia strives to enhance its agricultural productivity and sustainability, innovations in oil crop production are playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of this vital sector. From cutting-edge technologies to climate-smart practices, a new era of sustainable agriculture is dawning. Precision agriculture, powered by data and technology, is transforming the way oil crops are grown. Sensors, drones, and satellite imagery collect valuable data on soil conditions, plant health, and weather patterns. This data, analyzed using sophisticated software, provides farmers with real-time insights, enabling them to make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. Climate change poses significant challenges to agriculture worldwide, and Ethiopia is no exception. Drought, erratic rainfall, and rising temperatures threaten crop yields and the livelihoods of farmers. To mitigate these risks, climate-smart agriculture practices are being promoted. Drought-tolerant oil crop varieties developed through conventional breeding or biotechnology are helping farmers adapt to water-scarce conditions. These varieties require less water than conventional varieties, making them more resilient to drought. Conservation agriculture, a set of practices that promotes soil health and water conservation, is gaining traction among oil crop farmers. Minimum tillage, which reduces soil disturbance, helps conserve soil moisture and improve soil structure. Cover cropping, where non-cash crops are grown between oil crop seasons, protects the soil from erosion and improves its fertility. As Section 7, Empowering Farmers, Enriching Lives, the Impact of Sustainable Practices. The adoption of sustainable practices in oil crop production is not just about increasing yields and protecting the environment, it's about empowering farmers, improving livelihoods, and building a more resilient and equitable agricultural system. When farmers embrace sustainable practices, they become stewards of their land, caring for its health and productivity for generations to come. They reduce their reliance on expensive inputs like synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, saving money and protecting their health and the environment. Sustainable practices also enhance the quality of oil crops, leading to higher market prices. This increased income empowers farmers to invest in their farms, improve their families' well-being, and contribute to the economic development of their communities. Moreover, sustainable agriculture promotes biodiversity, protects water resources, and reduces greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a healthier planet for all. By embracing sustainable practices, oil crop farmers in Ethiopia are not only securing their own livelihoods, but also playing a vital role in creating a more sustainable and equitable future for all. Section 8. Oil crops, a cornerstone of Ethiopia's economy and food security. Oil crops play a crucial role in Ethiopia's economy, contributing significantly to export earnings and providing valuable raw materials for various industries. Moreover, they are essential for ensuring food security by providing a source of dietary fats and contributing to nutritional diversity. Ethiopia is one of the largest producers and exporters of sesame seeds in the world. Sesame exports generate substantial foreign exchange earnings, contributing to the country's economic growth. Sunflower and Niger seed are also gaining prominence as export crops, further boosting the agricultural sector's contribution to the economy. Beyond exports, oil crops support a thriving domestic oilseed processing industry, creating jobs and providing income opportunities for many Ethiopians. Locally produced edible oils are essential for meeting the dietary needs of the population, providing a source of energy, essential fatty acids, and fat-soluble vitamins. Furthermore, oil crops contribute to food security by diversifying diets and providing a buffer against staple crop failures. In times of drought or other agricultural challenges, oil crops can provide an alternative source of income and nutrition for farmers and their families. Section 9. Conclusion. A sustainable future for Ethiopia's oil crop industry. As we have explored, sustainable oil crop production is not just an option, but a necessity for Ethiopia's agricultural prosperity and overall development. By embracing sustainable practices, farmers can increase yields, conserve resources, protect the environment, and improve their livelihoods. The journey towards sustainability requires a multifaceted approach involving collaboration among farmers, researchers, policymakers, and consumers. Continued research and development of improved oil crop varieties, innovative farming techniques, and efficient processing methods are crucial to enhance productivity and sustainability. Empowering farmers with knowledge, skills, and access to markets is essential for widespread adoption of sustainable practices. Government policies that support sustainable agriculture, promote market access for oil crops, and invest in rural infrastructure are crucial for the sector's growth. Consumers also play a vital role in promoting sustainability by choosing sustainably produced oil crops and supporting companies committed to ethical and environmentally responsible practices. By working together, we can ensure a vibrant and sustainable future for Ethiopia's oil crop industry, benefiting farmers, consumers, and the environment for generations to come. Let us all do our part to support sustainable oil crop production, contributing to a more prosperous and food-secure Ethiopia.